circular connectors, male and female, board mount, with rear panel installation. Adopt a compact structure design with a 5 mm diameter. Pin count covers multiple configurations ranging from side to 4 pins. Suitable for a variety of extreme environmental conditions. Nickel-plated copper housing. Protection class up to IP Row 2 or higher. Applied in industrial automation, robotics, measurement and instrumentation, and medical equipment. Meet full scenario application requirements. Has passed rigorous voltage withstand tests. Facilitate the efficient operation of various industries.